看完《动物方程式2》后的我，满脑袋里一直想到的都是。
Concrete jungle life, sometimes a mad place. It's you and me together, the end of a wild day. Don't keep it all bottled up and release your energy. Hey, right. Only reason we are here is to celebrate in a place where anyone can be anything. Hold on to this moment, don't let it fade away. Baby, keep the music playing. Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be tamed, and we're turning the floor into a zoo.